continue with the Unit 3 Information and Communication Technology Skills, Chapter 13, Introduction to Email. Today in this digital communication, in this digital communication era, email, what is what? Email, electronic mail. It will prove to be biggest asset in the sending and receiving the message from one computer to another. And here it allows the communicate quickly. We can communicate very quickly with the people around the world at any time, any place. And this email is an economical mode of communication, and it facilitates you send the same message to more than 100 people at the cost of a local phone calls. It helps in reducing the wastage of paper also. See here, now what is email? See here, email is a method of exchanging the messages between people using electronic device, using computer, mobile phones. Even there also we can send the messages. So applications of email. See here, the cost of sending the electronic message is very nominal, and messages are sent and received instantly, and email server get lost and do not reach the wrong destination. If your address is correct, then it will reach correct person. Okay, and here we can attach some pictures, videos, sounds, emails, and can we send this to anyone across the globe. And for example, something went wrong, so we can read also, we can print, we can forward, and whatever the received message we can reply, and whatever the message we have received we can save it. Okay, email is usually packaged with a many productivity tools such as address book is there, calendar is there, instant messages. Okay, now next is what email account. So what is email account? It's an electronic mailbox on the network where the emails can be sent. It acts as a virtual address for email messages, and it is provided to you and your email accounts provider, in most cases the internet service provider, and contains the information about your username, email account provider, password, settings, etc. Okay, next one, email address. See here in this picture, what is the email? Email address is a name. See, everyone is having name, they are having the unique name, right? Unique name. Even email is also have a uniquely identified the email account on a network. Here one account is there, my account at outlook.com, right? Here we are having this identify the email account, and here we can send and we receive the mails, and we need to have the email address. If you want to send any mails, in that situation what we need, we have our email account. Next, in the email address, what it consists of? It consists of two parts separated by the @ symbol. Okay, firstly what the username. Username, see here, it is the name of the person account. It is the name of the person account, which can be actual name or alphanumeric strings. And second one is what? Domain name. Okay, domain name. See, for example, I will take APPA public school @gmail.com. Here username is what? APPA public school @ okay. Next, the domain name is what I am using here, Gmail, and the next one is domain extension is what? .com. Fine. See here, and the domain name, it is the location of the person account. Domain name is what? Person account @ so Gmail, Yahoo, Rediff, whichever it might be. Okay, account on the internet separated by period. Actually the website name of the email service provider, and the domain extension, it is specified after the domain name and indicated the type of organization. For example, the com stand for for a commercial organization. Okay, next one, email address. Here, this is here. Already I told you, user number. Here one example they are given, keeps publishing goal and @ okay, and the domain name, and it is extension, the commercial organization, this one, that is what, domain extension. Okay, commercial name at the rate of Gmail. Now next, email programs. We have some free based email services are there, which are that this email one need to first register with an email service provider in order to get the free account and create a login with the user name and password. Okay, here some are there, which are there: Gmail, Yahoo, MSN.com, and so on. Next one, the email message format. How it is email message format? See here, from email address of the sender, myself, and to whom you are sending, email address of the recipient, and subject, okay, the topic of the message, what is that, and CC. The CC stand for what? Carbon copy, the list of email address to whom has to be sent. All the recipients of the mail can see all the addresses in to and CC. The BCC, it stands for blind carbon copy like CC, and this also contains the list of multiple recipients address to whom we copy the message is to be sent, but the receiver cannot see the other recipient address in the BCC list. The message body, the actual content of the email. Now next one, how to create the email account. Just simple, go to Google Chrome, click on that, okay, and after that in here, create Google account, click on right here, create, okay, new Gmail account, create your Google account here, Gmail account, create an account. In this format will be displayed. See here, ABC, okay, the last name RR is my last name, and the user name what, RRABC53, and other available are there. Which one you want, you can select it. That is your username. As and when you want to log in with this, which you are selected, for example here what it is, RRABC153, or else which one you want, that you can select it, RRABC153, that you select, and password which you want, just you can give it. For example 1 2 3 is something, the characters will have, and same password should be confirmed. Later after submitting that, next you go, it will ask your mobile number, and after getting the mobile number, your address, everything finishing, after that it will ask you what, it will send any mobile number, just click on, the OTP will be come to on your mobile, that OTP will enter and your email account get created. Okay, like this we can create a email account. And see here, next creating an email account, open, and next is what, I will show one more, Gmail. See here, in this Gmail we are having inbox, right? Inbox, what it will display, it will display the information about all the received mails, okay, and hereby it displays the sender name and the subject line, what is the subject, and date and time when the message has been received, sometimes the size of the message too. And here we can, just by clicking on that, we can read the message. See here, when we want to send a mail, just you have to click on the compose. Compose means what? Write. Even we can say write mail also. Just click on here, and here what you will get, to write a mail, one has to click on the compose option. Okay, already I clicked on that, and I got here 2. So here we have to type the email address. For example, I want to send whom, myself only, Yamuna. Okay, Yamuna Bidurkar. Okay, just you take it here, and in the CC, in the CC, but in the CC stand for what? Carbon copy. In the field, can you specify the address of the person to whom you want to send the copy? Next, of the mail, this email address mentioned in the field are visible to all recipient of the mail. And next one is what? BCCC. Okay, BCCC, blind carbon copy. It is used to send the copy to the mail to several people, but the email address mentioned in the field are not visible to the recipient to the mail. Next, subject, the brief. For example, the subject what I want to write regarding academics I will write. Okay, academics. Okay, fine. And here you can type the message. From here also we can type the message. Here also we can type the message like this. After typing the message, you can send that one. Okay, just you can send also like this. For example, now sending, after composing email we can send, and this mail will be sent to the whom you are, just already I mentioned here. So next, attaching the files. See, sometimes we need to attach some files, right? From the system we work with that. So email, here attach pin is there, right? Just click on that one. For example, our file is on the desktop. Just which file you want to send, just select that one file. Okay, select that one file. Okay, whichever you file, just whatever you want, just click on that, open. Okay, and next you can send it. Okay, like this we can send the mail after downloading. And replying and forwarding mail. For example, if you have received mail, you want to reply. Okay, you want to reply. In that situation, just click on that. Okay, I received the message. Replying the forwarding emails. See here, reply option is displayed here. You can get the reply option. When we open any mail, it is used to reply to receive the mail. Click on reply button, type the text, click a reply button. Okay, and you can type the text here. Okay, like this we can create and send a message to by using email. Here we finished our chapter 13, Introduction to Email. Now we'll start Unit 3, Information and Communication Technology Skills, Chapter 14, Introduction to Social Media. See here, social networking sites. See, it's an online platform, and that facilitates the building of social network among the peoples. Okay, why sometimes why we'll share here similar interest, activities, backgrounds, or real life connections in the social networking. The social networking can be done for social purposes, even businesses purposes, or both. Social and networking sites are also called social medias. In social networkings, what websites users create profiles which contains the information about them, and we can create a list of the users and whom to share our connections and what to organize their social networks. Here we are having some social networkings are there. Twitter is there, Facebook is there, YouTube, WhatsApp. Okay, by using these we can share our views on this. We are having some features on the special, and here what we can do, we can build our profile, and it's a simple interface, and we are having the media galleries, photo albums, tags, chat facilities available on this social media, email alerts, real-time updates. What are sometimes if you are at any functions, just we can update by using these social medias, and what activities happen we can record. And when we are using, it is having some media some merits, advantages it is having, then only we are using. And what are the merits? We can easily connect with these networkings. If we want create new connections, we can make easily. And free business promotions, here we can promote our business very easily. It's in criminal cases, spreads the information incredibly fast. Very soon we can spread our messages. When we are using, some chances are there, demerits, disadvantages of using these social medias. What? Cyberbullying and the less real life interactions. And when we are using that, where goes on some addictions will be there. Fake profiles, sometimes some profiles were fake, and misleading the information, misuse of information using that one. And peer pressure. Blog, this is a blog. We can easily create website that allows the user to share thoughts with the world. We are using the blogs. For example, I am running a business, any product. Just using this blog, I can share my thoughts about the product by using the blogs to the world. And there are some different types of blogs where there, that is personal blog, company blog, non-profit blog, politics blog, news and views blog, micro blog. Okay. Next one, Twitter. Twitter is also, it's a free social networking and microblogging service. And what are the features of the Twitter? Twitter handle, tweets, hashtags, follow, tweet feed or timeline. See here, let us see one by one. Okay. See here. Next one is what? A Twitter handle. Twitter handle, see here, it's a term, the use account name on a Twitter, and it is listed by putting @ symbol before the username when you are using your email ID, abc@gmail.com. Same in a Twitter also. And tweets, it is subscribes use Twitters to communicate with the broadcast short messages called tweets. And tweets were initially restricted 140 characters, which has now, earlier were 140 characters, which has now changed to the 280 characters. And posting these messages is called what? Tweeting. And the reposting someone else, we are reposting someone else, it is called what? Tweet is called retweeting. And tweets are with the second they call speed news or announcements worldwide. Next is what? Hashtags. And this is a people use hashtag symbols before the relevant keywords or phrase in their tweet to highlight the keywords of the topic. And next one is what? Follow. The users can search and connect with the people following them on the Twitter and tweet in them. And you can also unfollow also. In this we can select unfollow also people if you don't want to wish to include the tweet in your Twitter feed. Twitter, what is a Twitter feed or timeline? It is an ongoing stream tweets from the user that you follow. Next one is Facebook. It's also social networking website, and it is also we are using to connect with the peoples online. See here some popular offerings were there. What are their friend list is there? It is registered the user to create their profiles and created their lists, contacts called what? Friends in the Facebook language. And next one is walls, and it is an essential virtual board, bulletin board. Members can post messages, pictures or videos and share the link of the Facebook with their friends. And virtual photo album. See here, this feature allows the members to upload an unlimited number of photos, and the members friends may comment or identify the tags people in the photos. And status updated, the microblogging tool with the help of microbiome tools help the user to broadcast short announcement about themselves. And Facebook pages, it's a feature was initially designed for business use, and it allows the business to publish content the public pages and we can receive the comments on that. And next one is what? News feed. This feature constantly update the list of all stories in the middle of your home page. And the new feed includes the status updates, photos, videos, links, activities like from the people pages group of that you on the Facebook. Privacy control, even we can control our privacy also. This provides the customizable set of your privacy controls to the user to protect their information. We can protect our information also on the Facebook by getting exposed the third party individuals. Next one is YouTube. It's a free video sharing website. If you want to share any videos with the help of YouTube, we can share our videos. And what are the services we are getting on the YouTube? We can manage the subscriptions replay from the history, and we can download and upload the videos from the computer or mobile phones, and even we can choose the privacy setting of our channel. Okay, we can edit the videos to give the professional look. We can edit the videos if you want the professional looks, and select the videos from the grid of the recommended and trending videos. Employ the parental control and safety mode features. Next one is WhatsApp. It's a free download in your mobile, Android mobiles app. You can get this app and you will download it in an app for smartphones. And what are the facts of the WhatsApp? It's the most popular instant messaging app worldwide, and it offers high quality voice as well as video calling. The cost of using WhatsApp is significantly less than texting. The features such as what group, you and everyone, we are using the WhatsApp, you know what we people are doing with the WhatsApp. You can do the chatting, video calling, location sharing, etc. And it also format the selected text of your message in italic, bold, underscore. Okay. Next, here you finish your chapter 14, Introduction to Social Media. Thank you.